Looking for the perfect all-in-one grooming solution without the mess of blade oil? The Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer Series 3000 might just be your new grooming her. This 13-piece grooming kit handles everything: beard, stubble, nose, ears, and even your hair. And the best part? No blade oil needed, ever. 13 tools in one kit, from full-size hair trimming to detailed edge work, tempered steel blades, self-sharpening and built to last. No oil needed, that's right. Just rinse and go. Dual cut technology, twice the blades for precision cutting, multiple guard sizes, from stubble to longer styles, you're covered. Whether you're maintaining your beard, trimming sideburns, or cleaning up unwanted nose hair, it does it all smoothly and painlessly. It's compact, lightweight, and made to fit comfortably in your hand. Plus, those stainless steel blades. They stay sharp and don't rust. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of cordless use on a single charge. Perfect for home or travel. For under $30, you're getting a complete grooming kit that rivals the expensive ones, with no extra cost on blade oil or maintenance. You get trim, 6 guards, cleaning brush, travel bag, all in one sleek package, ready to level up your grooming game. Grab your Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer Series 3000 today, link in the description below. So thank you for supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. More awesome Amazon finds coming soon.